In this video, we're going to install the Yoroi Lite Wallet Microsoft Edge extension for Cardano. Open Microsoft Edge and go to the google.com main page. Type Yoroi Wallet and press Enter. Select Yoroi Lite Wallet for Cardano and click the link. Click the drop-down that says Download and select Edge. Click the button Get. You will see a pop-up from Microsoft Edge that says Add Yoroi to Microsoft Edge. Click the button that says Add extension. After a few seconds, you will see a message that says Yoroi has been added to Microsoft Edge. To start Yoroi, simply click the puzzle piece in the upper right-hand corner of the Edge browser and click the Yoroi logo. If you like the content in this video, please like, subscribe and delegate to Alto Stake Pool.